Hello, dear students. Today we are going to speak about spending money. Open your books at page 26, exercise 1. What do you spend your money on? Do you have a saving plan and a budget? If you do, does this help you manage your money? If not, how can doing this help you manage your money? Listen to the opinion.
I usually spend my money on social activities, like going to the cinema or eating out with my friends. I don't have a budget, but I save some money every week for emergencies and long-term goals. I think a budget can help you be more conscious of not wasting money.
Now let's get acquainted with new words. Listen to them, write down in your vocabularies.
Cut back. Expenses. Income. Keep track of. Long-term goal. Manage money. Pocket money. Reduce. Savings. Set a budget. Tip.
Now let's watch the video.
Pennywise. For many young people, managing money is not as easy as it seems. Here are a few tips to help you get the most out of your money. Set your budget. The first and most important step is setting a budget. Make a note of your weekly and monthly expenses. You may not realize, but the money you spend on little things like sweets or drinks can add up. Organize your expenses into categories, for example, food and drinks, clothes, transport, mobile phone costs, or entertainment. Then, make a note of all pocket money or money from a part-time job that you get. Decide how much you can afford to spend for each category. Is there any way you can cut back? Save up. Good money management is essential. Spend 80% of your money on your day-to-day expenses that you have identified and put into categories. Then, save 10% of your money for unexpected expenses, such as concert tickets or a new mobile phone. Save the other 10% for long-term goals, such as going on holiday or paying university fees. Keep track. You have to remember that it's very easy to spend more than what you have, so keep track of what you spend from day to day. At the end of the week, check your spending and adjust your habits according to how much you've spent. If you do this regularly, you will never end up with no money at all. Be realistic. And what happens if you really want to buy something expensive, like a tablet computer? Ask yourself, does it cost more than 10% of your income? If it does, then you have to increase your savings and reduce your expenses. If you follow these simple steps, you will start feeling more confident about managing your money. And you will also find it easier in the future to plan in order to buy the things that you want.
Exercise 2. You are to read the text again and answer the question. How can you set a budget? You see in the text is written that it is very important to set a budget. Make a note of your expenses. Organize your expenses into categories. Then make a note of all pocket money or money from a part-time job. Decide how much you can afford to spend for each category and see if there is anywhere you can cut back. The second question. Why is it important to set a budget? It is said that good money management is essential. Save 10% of your money for unexpected expenses. Save the other 10% for long-term goals. Question 3. Why should we save money? We save for unexpected expenses such as a concert tickets or a new mobile phone, going on holiday or paying university fees. And the last question is for you. Do you agree with the author's advice? Listen to the opinion.
I agree with the author's advice. I think it's important to be prepared and keep track of your expenses.
In exercise 3, you are to make a list of everything you spend each week and organize it into categories. For example, food, transport, entertainment, and so on. Do you spend your money the right way? Write down your list in your copybooks.